Welcome to astrology video. In this video we are going to see everything about marriages, love marriage, love failure, arranged marriage, then successful marriage, then problem after marriage, everything about marriage we are going to see. Okay. And then in this video we are going to see when the marriage will take place, how to predict exact time when the marriage can take place. Everything we are going to see complete about the marriage. Okay, so to start with, first we are going to see what are the combinations for love marriage. Okay, whenever you see in a chart a relationship between the Mercury and Ketu, then we can say there is a possibility for the native to fall in love affair. So what are the different positions for the Mercury and Venus? See, in this chart we can see Mercury is in Taurus sign and Ketu is in Virgo sign. So they are in the trine. So this is one replacement where we can say they are both are in. There is a possibility for love affair. Similarly, if the same Ketu is placed in the seventh house, like see, this is again also say now Mercury and Ketu are 7/7 relationship. Again, there is a possibility for the native to fall in love. Similarly, when Ketu Mercury conjunction also is another combination. Is another combination for the native to fall in love affair. So, whenever you see a Mercury and Ketu combination either by aspect or by conjunction, then we can see there is a possibility for native to fall in love. Again, to continue with the same conjunction, whenever you have a Saturn is also related to this conjunction for this combination. For example, let me say the Saturn is also placed here. Okay, Saturn is also placed here. Then what we can say is then the love affair the native can have a very long love affair. I told you, I am repeating again, whenever you see a Mercury and Ketu conjunction, then we can predict there is a possibility for love affair, native to fall in love affair. And when Saturn added to this combination, then we can say there is a possibility for native to have a very long love affair, because the Saturn is known for long delay and for long period. Else, when Saturn is added to this combination, we can say the native can have a very long love affair. So the Saturn can be anywhere, like either it can be in the trine or 7/7, either by aspect or conjunction. Saturn is also connected to this combination of Mercury and Ketu. Then we can say that there is a possibility of a native to having a very long love affair. Okay. Now let me say remove the Saturn. Let me say so Jupiter is related with this combination. Jupiter. Now let us say in this combination we add Jupiter. When Jupiter is related to this combination of Mercury and Ketu, we can say there is a more possibility for this love affair leading to marriage. So note this carefully. Whenever you see a Mercury Ketu combination in any chart, then we can predict there is a possibility for native to fall in a love affair. And when I already told you, if Saturn is connected with this combination, I told you there is possibility for very long love affair. Okay. Now, when Jupiter is connected to this love affair, only when Jupiter connected to this combination, then we can predict there is this love affair can lead to the marriage life. Okay, when Jupiter is connected to this Mercury Ketu combination, then we can always predict there is a possibility for native to fall in love affair, and this love affair will lead to the marriage. Okay. Then when we see when Sun is added to this Mercury and Ketu combination, then we can say there is a possibility for native to have premarital sex during this love affair. Okay, either Sun or even Mars also is connected to this. Sun, Mars or Venus, any planet connected to this combination, then we can predict there is a possibility for native having premarital sex during this love affair. Okay, so I have told you many combinations. Combination one is Saturn. When Saturn is added to this combination for love affair is Mercury Ketu should be there, either conjunction or aspect. The aspect may be a trine aspect or 7 bar 7. Okay. So whenever we see a Mercury and Ketu combination, we can predict there is a possible native falling in love. Okay. Then number 2, when Saturn is added to this, combination, then we can say there is a possibility for native to have a very long love affair. Okay. Because Saturn known for a long period. Okay. Then when Jupiter is connected to this combination, then we can predict there is this love affair. There is more possibility for this love affair leading to a successful marriage. Okay, because Jupiter is known for a success, so there is more possibility for this love affair to finally getting into marriage. Okay, and then whenever you see Sun, Mars, or Venus, Sun, Mars or Venus, any Sun, Mars or Venus, then we can say there is a possibility for having a premarital sex during this love affair. That is the native. There is a possible native to have a premarital sex with a partner during the love affair. Okay, so we have seen some of the combinations for what are the combinations for love affair. And different planets, what will happen to different planets connected to these combinations. Okay, we will see next combinations for the love affair. Okay, now we everyone knows that 5th house is known for the love affair. Let us say take Aries ascendant, in 5th house is the Leo. So whenever you see a 5th lord placed in 7th house or 7th lord placed in 5th house, and any relationship between this the 5th and 7th house, then we can say there is a possibility for native to have a love marriage. Okay, so whenever we see a relationship between the 5th lord and 7th lord, like 5th lord placed in 7th lord or 7th lord placed in 5th lord, then we can always predict there is more possibility for native to fall in love marriage. Okay, then again this combinations, if you see the second lord and the 5th lord, then 7th lord and 11th lord. Okay, say second lord indicates whenever you see the combinations of these 4 planets, then also we can predict there is a possibility for native to have a love marriage. Okay, because the second lord indicates the new member added to the family, and the 5th house talks about the love affair. 7th house talks about the marriage, and the 11th house indicates the success in the love affair. Okay, so whenever you see the combinations of these 4 planets, 2, 5, 7, 11, second lord, 5th lord, 7th lord and 11th lord, then we can also predict there is a possibility for native to have a love marriage. Okay, note it down to second lord, 5th lord and 7th lord, 11th lord. Okay, then again whenever you see the 7th lord, see for this Aries ascendant, 7th lord is Venus. So whenever you see the 7th lord placed in 3rd house, right, 7th lord placed in 3rd house, then there is a possible native proposing to another native, let it be a male or female, will propose to the another guy, and they will have a love affair. Okay. When the 7th lord is placed in 3rd house, then it indicates a native fall in love on someone, and the love will be accepted by that another person. Okay, so this is like when 7th lord placed in 3rd house. The next combination is when 7th lord placed in 11th house. When the 7th lord see Aries ascendant, for Aries ascendant 7th lord is Venus. 7th lord Venus placed in 11th. 11th house means what happens? Then also there is a possibility about someone will come and propose to the native. When the 7th lord placed in 11th house, then someone will come and propose to the native, and the native will accept the proposal, and they will fall in love. Okay, this is another combination. So 7th lord, when the 7th lord placed in 3rd house means it indicates the native will propose to someone. While the 7th lord placed in 11th house, someone will propose to the native. This is you know the difference between 7th lord in 3rd house and 7th lord in 11th house. Okay. Then we will go to then another combination. Whenever you see Venus in Mercury sign, Venus in Venus in Gemini or Venus in Virgo, these combinations also give will give rise to a love marriage, love affair and love affair. Whenever you see Venus in Gemini as well as Venus in Virgo sign, then also there is a possibility for waiting to fall in love affair. Okay. Remaining rules and combinations for marriage concepts as well as for love affair, we'll watch in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.